Hi guys and welcome back to the Taste and Bloom Kitchen. My name is Yasmi and today we are making authentic Ghana chicken light soup. Yes, yes, the chicken that you go to the market, you pick what you like, they unalive it for you, and then you bring it back home to make this deliciousness. Do stay with me and let's get started. So I'll start by cooking my vegetables. In my saucepan here, I have some garden eggs. So this orange color is the one that they recommend for soups. I do not know why, honestly. Okay. And then I'm going to be adding some lima beans. In Chi, we call it edia or beans. Yes, that will also go into my saucepan. And then I'll also add some turkey berries or abedru or kwansusa, whatever you want to call it, okay? And then, unfortunately, I didn't have red peppers, but I'm going to be using the green ones, okay? So I'll add some water to it and then put it on fire and allow it to cook until soft. When it's all done, I'll set it aside to cool a bit and then I'll get back to it when we get the soup started. So this is my chicken, like I said. Fortunately for me, I had it cut up into the desirable pieces and then I'm giving it a very good wash. This is the probably fourth wash that I'm putting on camera right now, okay? So I watched it about 5 times because of course you can't be too sure. So ideally I would have roasted the pieces, but I had them do it for me at the market, so I was good to go. What the roasting does is to elevate the flavor of the chicken, okay? So when you're eating, you know that you are in business, okay? So I'm showing you that it's been roasted already. As you can see, the back or the skin is slightly browned, and that's what we are going for. It also reduces just a bit of the fat in there, okay? I mean, you need some of the fat in there to cook your soup as well, so don't get rid of all of it, okay? So once the chicken is all set, I'm going to go ahead and transfer all the pieces into my saucepan and we'll get the soup started. If this is your first time here, like I said in the beginning, my name is Yasmin. Please consider subscribing and joining this amazing blooming family. And if you're a returning subscriber, thank you so much for coming back to watch me. I'm so grateful, okay? Also give this video a thumbs up and let's get into it. So I have here some onions, ginger and garlic. This is what I'm going to be using to season my chicken. With chicken light soup, especially the Ghanaian version, you don't do too much with seasoning, okay? So once that is blended, I'm going to transfer all of it into my saucepan with my chicken in there and then go ahead and add my preferred seasoning. So I'm using chicken seasoning or bouillon cube, and then I'm adding some alcomesa or basil leaves and then some salt, and I'll add some tomato paste, but I don't want the chicken flavor to be overpowered or yeah, to get missing in there. So I'm going in with very small amount of my tomato paste. But of course you can you can use fresh tomatoes as well if you want, but just for the slight color or tint of red, I'm going to be using my tomato paste, okay? So I'll give this a good mix. I'm not going to add too much water, but because it's hard, I'm going in with a bit of water. As you can see, the blended ingredients gave me a bit of liquid. So yeah, I'm going in with some more water and then cover and allow this to cook until it's to my preferred tenderness. So you want to make sure it's not too soft because once you add the rest of the soup base, you're going to allow this to continue cooking. You don't want your chicken to end up being too soft. My vegetables are also ready. Once cool down, I'll blend and then set it aside, okay? So this is 30 minutes in. My chicken is doing amazing. I'm going to give it a stir and then cover for an extra maybe 10 minutes and then allow the stock around it to reduce a bit so that the flavors will keep building. Let me take this moment to also ask you guys to follow me on other social media platforms as well. I am on TikTok, Instagram, Threads, Facebook. Please, let's grow those accounts as well for me, okay? I'll be so grateful. All those links are in my description box. So do check it out and then follow me, okay? So this is my blended vegetables. I've added some water to it and I'm going to strain into another saucepan before transferring it into the soup. My mom will be so proud of me for doing this because usually I'll just strain it straight into the soup. But today the ancestors were talking to me. I don't know. Maybe they didn't want me to drop the colander in the pot of soup or something like that. Okay. So I'll go ahead and strain it. But it's optional if you don't want to strain it. But when I use turkey berries and then the lima beans or the edia, of course, I always strain because I don't want to get any chaff into my soup. Okay. So there we have it. Transferring the liquid into my pot of chicken, and then I'll leave this to cook. So usually when I season my protein for my soups, I don't add any, I hardly honestly add any salt moving on. But I mean, it's your food. If you want to, you can do that. This is 30 minutes in on low medium heat. My soup is almost done, okay? I'm adding some more basil leaves for the flavor and for the smell. And voila, that's it. My chicken soup is ready. You can add more pepper if you like. Like I always say, we are not a household that eats a lot of pepper, so I'm good, okay? We enjoyed this chicken light soup with some fufu. And of course, the consistency is up to you. So if you think this is too light, certainly make it thicker. But for fufu, I like my soup to be this light, okay? So of course, I served myself. This is for my husband and I. Nobody should come and judge me and say that the food is too much. And we really enjoyed it. And everybody was knocked out after this lunch. I hope you are inspired to try this recipe. If you do, certainly give me a feedback because you know this is very simple, okay? Thank you for watching. Don't forget to subscribe, like, leave a comment down below, and share. And until we meet again, as always, keep blooming.